Hello.
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 Ladies hotel is here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Reception.
Okay. Yes, I came to hotel now after 2 hours. Okay, let's go. It's quite place. Hello?
Hi, check-in?
Yeah, checking.
Yeah. Maybe at the front desk. I'm sorry. Just now coming back from the front desk.
It is me?
Yeah. Do you have do you bring a passport? I'm just now coming back from the front desk coming here.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I came wrong.
You coming alone?
I came wrong. Not this place. Not here.
Oh,
The reception is there.
yeah, the restaurant is there actually. That's the restaurant.
Okay.
If you need to take a dinner, just go there. Also for breakfast is tomorrow there.
Okay.
But not from the back.
Thank you.
Sorry, there's no person in there. Is there any suitcase my team could bring to your room? No?
Okay, let's go to Rome. Finally, take off shorts. Wow. Thank you so much. Yes, friends, I did my check-in now. This is my room, double bed room, and this was bedroom. Nice bed. Okay. Wow. Nice greeny view of garden. Bali green landscapes, and there is a pool. Wow, it's quite place here, so far from city center, Denpasar, east of Bali. I will stay here for tonight. The price is $70 with included breakfast, and I paid to taxi $48 with 79 kilometers from Denpasar airport to here, this hotel. So let's see. Check out outside. Wow, nice place, nice boat. Maybe you can have a breakfast on your boat with the basket breakfast.